From the depths of the oceans to the vast expanse of space, our world is brimming with wonders that never cease to amaze. Get ready to expand your knowledge, challenge your perceptions, and discover the awe-inspiring beauty of our universe. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to have your mind blown, because things are about to get fascinating. Fact number 1. The human body is a marvel of biological engineering, constantly regenerating and adapting to its surroundings. Take, for instance, the lining of your stomach. This extraordinary organ, responsible for breaking down food, endures a highly acidic environment. To withstand these harsh conditions, the stomach lining undergoes a remarkable process of renewal. Every 3 to 4 days, the cells lining your stomach are completely replaced, ensuring that this vital organ can continue its essential work without succumbing to the corrosive effects of digestive acids. It's a testament to the incredible resilience and adaptability of the human body, a symphony of cellular regeneration happening right beneath our notice. Think about that the next time you sit down for a meal. The very lining of your stomach is constantly renewing itself, a silent testament to the wonders of biology. Fact number 2. We humans, like many creatures, possess eyelids that serve a crucial purpose: to protect and lubricate our delicate eyes. But did you know that the frequency with which we blink reveals a fascinating insight into our behavior? On average, a person blinks between 15 to 20 times per minute. However, this rate can fluctuate depending on various factors, including our emotional state, level of concentration, and even the environment we're in. For instance, when we're engrossed in a task that demands our full attention, such as reading or using a computer, our blink rate tends to decrease. Conversely, when we're feeling stressed or anxious, our blink rate can increase dramatically. So the next time you find yourself observing others, pay attention to their blinking patterns. You might be surprised by what you can glean about their inner state, simply by observing this subtle yet telling behavior. Fact number 3. The natural world is replete with examples of evolution's artistry, and few are as captivating as the link between dinosaurs and birds. For many years, scientists have unearthed fossil evidence suggesting that birds are the direct descendants of theropod dinosaurs. These ancient creatures, which roamed the Earth millions of years ago, share striking similarities with modern-day birds, from their skeletal structures to their feathered forms. Imagine a world where colossal creatures like the Tyrannosaurus rex once thundered across the land, their distant relatives now soaring through the skies. It's a testament to the power of adaptation and the interconnectedness of life on our planet. So the next time you see a bird flitting through your backyard, take a moment to appreciate its ancient lineage, a living link to a time when dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Fact number 4. Every nation has its symbols, often chosen for their representation of the country's spirit, history, or natural beauty. Scotland, a land of rugged highlands and ancient lore, boasts a rather unexpected national animal, the unicorn. This mythical creature, often depicted as a horse with a single spiraled horn, has been associated with Scotland since as early as the 15th century. While unicorns may be the stuff of legends, their symbolism in Scottish culture is deeply rooted. The unicorn represents purity, innocence, and power, qualities that have resonated with the Scottish people for centuries. It's a reminder that even in a world driven by logic and reason, there's still room for a touch of magic and wonder. Fact number 5. The depths of our oceans harbor creatures with astonishing abilities, and few are as remarkable as the starfish. These enigmatic invertebrates possess an extraordinary power, the ability to regenerate lost limbs. If a starfish loses an arm, it can over time grow a new one. But here's the truly mind-boggling part. In some starfish species, a single severed arm can regenerate into an entirely new starfish. This incredible feat of regeneration is made possible by the starfish's decentralized nervous system and remarkable cellular regeneration capabilities. It's a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution and the awe-inspiring resilience of life in even the harshest environments. Fact number 6. Giraffes, the tallest mammals on Earth, are a marvel of nature's design. Their towering height and graceful movements have captivated humans for centuries. But have you ever wondered how these gentle giants sleep? Given their size and the presence of predators in their environment, you might assume that giraffes require a substantial amount of sleep. However, the reality is quite surprising. Giraffes are among the shortest sleepers in the animal kingdom, typically clocking in just 30 minutes to 2 hours of shut-eye per day. They often sleep standing up, taking short power naps throughout the day and night. It's a testament to the adaptability of animals and the diverse ways in which they've evolved to thrive in their respective environments. Fact number 7. Our Sun, a blazing ball of plasma at the heart of our solar system, is a truly awe-inspiring celestial body. Its immense size and gravitational pull hold our planet and countless others in its orbit. To grasp the sheer scale of our Sun, consider this. You could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. That's right. The Sun is so vast that it dwarfs our planet in comparison. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos, a tiny speck of life orbiting a star of unimaginable power and magnitude. Yet, despite its immense size, the Sun is just one of billions of stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these fun and amazing facts, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a fact that will make you see the world differently. Have a fact that blew your mind? Share it with us in the comments below. See you in the next video.